Hello everyone, myself Mr. Dheeraj Patil, lecturer at Praveen Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Our third chapter is Advanced Feature of SQL. So first part we are seeing about the view, virtual table, creating view, deleting view, update view. After that second part we are seeing about the sequence, how to create sequence, dropping sequence, after that altering sequence. So next is index are the special lookup table which are available to only database search engine for accessing data. Index speed up and data retrieval efficiently. An index is an pointer to data in a table. It is similar to the alphabetically index or book present at the end of book. An index is used to speed up, select queries and also where clause. But because of index, the data input related to insert and update statement gets slowed down. Index can be created or dropped with no effect on the data. Create index statement is used to create an index. In this statement, we have mentioned name of that index, the table and column, and whether the index is ascending or descending order. There are some types of index: simple index, composite index, unique index, implicit index, dropping index. Simple index. This index is create on single column of table. Syntax: create index name on table name, column name. Create index. Example: create index 1 on student name. Composite index. Composite index. Sometimes duplicate record may available in a column. In such case, the composite index is better option to index the data. This index is created on a multiple column of table. Syntax: create index name on table name, column 1, column 2. Example: create index 2 on student name and marks. Unique index does not allow any duplicate value to insert it into the table. Syntax: create unique index name on table name, column 1, column 2. Example: create unique index 3 on student name. After that, implicit index. Implicit index are index that are automatically created by the database server when an object is created. Such index are increased for primary key and unique constant. Displaying index to display index information regarding table following query is used. Syntax: shown show index from table name. Example: show index from student. Dropping index. The purpose of dropping index to remove an index or domain index from the database. You can use to drop index statement. Database individual or cancel all objects that depend on the table, including view, package, bodies, function, and procedure. When you when you drop an index, the global partitioned index is partitioned by range or hash partition index. If we drop this global partition index, then all the index partition also drop. All the index partition and subpartitions also drop when you drop a composite partition index. Example: drop index 3. Next is a difference between view and index. These are the parameters. Concept: view is a logical table, index are pointer. Function: view just refer to data that is stored in the database table. Index map to the physical address of the data. Use: view is used to store data from one or more tables. An index is a form tuning method of allowing faster retrieval of records. Working: view create copy of existing table and index create an entry for each value that appears in the index column. Synonyms: synonyms: creating synonyms and dropping synonyms. Synonyms is an alias or alternate name for table, view, sequence, or other schema object. They are used mainly to make it easy for users to access database objects owned by other users. They hide the underlying object identity and make it harder for a malicious program or user to target the underlying object. Because of synonyms, it just as alternate name for object. It requires no storage other than its definition. When an application uses a synonym, the DBMS forward the request to the synonyms underlying the object. There are two types of synonyms: object invisibility and location invisibility. Object invisibility synonyms can be created to keep the original object hidden from the users. And next is location visibility. Invisibility synonyms can be created as allies for table and other objects that are not part of the local database. So creating synonyms. Create synonyms employee for HR dot employees. Dropping synonyms. Drop synonyms employees. So in this part we have seen about the index, creating index, after that difference between the index or view and creating